Where does your magic belong? Whether you're a family entertainer, a comedy magician, close-up artist, or a stage illusionist, finding your niche can completely transform your career. Let's figure it out. Hey, I'm Steve Barcelona from realworldworkers.com. I'm on a mission to help magicians turn their passion into real-world gigs. This video is part of the Gig Ready Workers Challenge series designed to kickstart your path toward consistent paying performances. Today, we're talking about finding your magic niche, a key step in discovering where your act belongs and how it can transform your career. Let's dive in and explore how this can set you up for success. As magicians, performing incredible tricks is the easy part. The real magic happens when you specialize in one niche and then adapt within it. By focusing on a specific area, like community events, children's parties, or corporate gigs, you create a strong foundation. From there, you can seek out new opportunities within that niche, expanding your versatility while staying true to your expertise. Finding your niche starts with 3 simple steps. First, think of what excites you. Are you drawn to the energy of family events, the elegance of society galas, or are festivals and community events more your speed? Next, focus on your strengths. Are you a natural at connecting with kids, dazzling adults with your sleight of hand, or commanding attention on the platform? Finally, consider your ideal audience. Ultimately, presenting your act to the right crowd makes all the difference. Once you've identified your niche, think about other types of events where your act can fit seamlessly. For instance, children's entertainers can often break into the school market as it's a natural extension of their audience. Similarly, comedy magicians who perform at company events can explore opportunities at conferences and conventions where audiences are also predominantly adult professionals. By identifying related markets within your niche, you'll uncover more opportunities to showcase your act and grow your reputation. It's crucial that your act fits the niche. A grown-up comedy routine won't work at a 5-year-old's birthday party, and a kid's magic show won't translate at a corporate gala. When you're finding your niche, think about how your act and style as a performer meet the expectations of that particular audience. Here's your action step. Identify your niche and brainstorm at least 3 new event types where your act could thrive. Write them down, do some research, and see where the opportunities lead. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you found this helpful. If you're ready to take your magic to the next level, check out the Gig Ready Workers Challenge. It's about real-world skills to help you book gigs and turn your passion into opportunities. The link's in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.